Hi guys, I'm Brandy, and today we're going to be taking a train ride to the countryside. I'm going to load up my cargo here. 1, 2, okay, let's go.
Hey, what happened to the track?
Oh no, it looks like the track is broken and there's debris everywhere. What are we gonna do now? We need to call 911.
Oh, hello? Okay, I'm on my way. What seems to be the problem? Well, the tracks seem to be broken and there's debris everywhere. No problem. Chase is on the case. I'll call the railroad worker.
Here comes our railroad worker now.
What's the problem?
Well, the tracks are broken. I need someone to fix it. That's your job.
Well, I have to fix it. Here it is.
You did it!
Yes.
Yay! You're amazing. Thank you so much.
All fixed. All aboard. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe down
Subscribe
below.
below.
Give this video a thumbs up. Bye!
Bye.